welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today we have an exciting lineup of stories that showcase the cutting-edge developments in blockchain technology, DeFi and AI. We'll start by celebrating the 4th anniversary of the Internet Computer Protocol, exploring its remarkable journey and innovations. Then we'll delve into COOWN. It's a platform revolutionizing group asset management with a simplicity and security. Finally, we'll discuss insights from the Moonshots podcast, where experts unpack the rapid advancements in AI and their implications. Before we get in, a quick note: if you find value in our content and wish to support our mission, consider donating to Ledger Life. Wallet details are provided in the description below. Your support helps us continue bringing you insightful content. Now, let's get started. 4 years ago, the Internet Computer Protocol launched with an ambitious vision to redefine the Internet's architecture. Today, it's not just surviving, it's thriving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. Over the past year, ICP has expanded its infrastructure, tooling, AI integration, and developer onboarding. The network now boasts 92 independent node providers across 113 data centers in 34 countries. Developer engagement is on the rise with over 4,300 GitHub repositories opened, a 19% year-on-year increase. Internet identities have grown by 14%, surpassing 260K users. Definitely, the foundation behind ICP has scaled its research operations, notably establishing an AI-focused innovation hub in San Francisco. According to the Electric Capital Developer Report, ICP ranks second in full-time developer growth across the Web3 space, with over 2.1K developers joining the ecosystem last year. One of the standout achievements is Chain Fusion, which enables ICP-based smart contracts to interact directly with other blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum without the need for bridges or wrappers. This integration extends to Ethereum virtual machines and Layer 2s, allowing smart contracts on ICP to control Ethereum assets natively. Upcoming milestones aim to add similar support for Solana. These advancements are powered by chain key cryptography and advanced threshold signature schemes, including threshold ECDSA and threshold Schnorr signatures. This means ICP smart contracts can natively hold and transact in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and tokens from over 20 other networks. Chain key tokens like CKBTC have seen a 118% increase in usage, with over 1.7 million transactions recorded since the last anniversary. On the user experience front, tools like ICP Ninja, a browser-based IDE, are making smart contract creation more accessible. Features like project sharing, GitHub login, and an AI assistant trained on ICP documentation streamline the development process. Initiatives like Juno further support developer training and integration. AI is now integral to ICP's narrative. The concept of the self-writing internet envisions enabling anyone to build apps through natural language prompts. AI models are deployed directly on the Internet Computer, existing as smart contracts themselves. Notable projects include Decide AI's version of GPT-2 and Onyx AI's deployment of a 1.5 billion parameter DeepSeek model within a 32-bit canister. Community engagement remains strong, with ICP hubs operating in over 24 locations globally. In 2024 alone, these hubs hosted over 1,200 in-person meetups. Events like the World Computer Show and World Computer Day in Davos have highlighted the ecosystem's progress and fostered discussions on AI and decentralization. The DeFi segment is also evolving with the launch of the OIC Wallet v1.0, providing a secure interface for managing multi-chain assets. CoinSwap, a decentralized exchange, integrated OIC shortly after its launch. The Orbit multi-custody asset framework introduced in March enhances smart contract security through multi-sig workflows. ICP's burn rate has increased significantly, with over 1.5 million ICP burned, a 2,500% rise from the previous year, indicating heightened network activity. Looking ahead, the World Computer Summit is scheduled for June 3, 2025 in Zurich. This event promises to be more than a retrospective. It's an opportunity to share progress, exchange ideas, and chart the future course. 4 years in, the Internet Computer continues to demonstrate technical ambition and consistent growth, solidifying its position as a leading blockchain ecosystem. From the expansive developments of ICP, let's shift our focus to a platform that's gaining traction in group asset management, that is COOWN. COOWN is designed for those seeking the control of a CFO, the simplicity of a group chat, and the security of a Swiss vault in managing group finances. Operating entirely on-chain and powered by the Internet Computer Protocol, COOWN offers families, businesses, and public institutions an easy, compliant, and scalable way to manage digital assets without the need for coding knowledge or complex infrastructure. The platform's core is the group-centric wallet, a shared space allowing multiple members to co-manage assets with role-based controls. Users can define who sees what, who can spend, and who needs to approve significant transactions. It's akin to embedding a company's expense policy directly into a digital wallet. COOWN supports various crypto assets including CKBTC, CKUSDC, and gold NFTs tokens backed by gold. The platform emphasizes compliance, handling KYC and AML processes smoothly, ensuring user data remains secure and private. Beyond storage, COOWN facilitates operations like automated transactions, recurring payments, split transfers, and dividend distributions. For instance, businesses can automate monthly investor returns or allocate funds across teams based on budget schedules, eliminating the need for manual reminders or spreadsheets. A notable feature is the ability to create and trade custom digital assets, including NFTs designed as securities. These programmable, traceable tokens can represent value, shares, or entitlements, streamlining processes like issuing stock without traditional exchanges. Governance is integral to COOWN, with voting tools enabling users to conduct board elections or approve budget decisions directly through the platform. This is particularly beneficial for companies digitizing shares and managing decision-making through verified stakeholder input. Structured as a decentralized autonomous organization, COOWN operates without a central authority, blending community-driven ethos with regulatory structure. Regional operators oversee compliance and customer onboarding, ensuring legal standards across jurisdictions. COOWN caters to both large organizations and smaller teams, while larger entities can opt for private cloud setups. Smaller teams can use COOWN for free, benefiting from its no-code approach. This accessibility allows local charities, family offices, or informal investment groups to manage assets without technical barriers. The platform's design philosophy stems from real-world experience. Founder Simon Kaiser's background in law, finance, and IT systems, including an award-winning thesis on the cyber resilience of Swiss private banks, informs COOWN's emphasis on strong governance, user empowerment, and layered protection. With COOWN tokens now in circulation and free account creation, early users have the opportunity to shape the DAO's growth and operations. COOWN stands as a testament to how technology can simplify and secure collaborative finance. Having explored advancements in blockchain and DeFi, let's turn our attention to the rapid developments in AI as discussed in the latest episode of the Moonshots podcast. In a recent episode of the Moonshots podcast, Salim Ismail, Peter Diamandis, and Dave Blanton delved into the accelerating pace of AI development and its far-reaching implications. Salim emphasizes the unprecedented speed of AI advancements, noting, "We are at a point where you can't predict what's going to happen next week. That's the real singularity." Peter adds that AI's trajectory has surpassed human comprehension, stating, "We are no longer constrained by imagination. We are constrained by GPU availability." Dave highlights the capabilities of modern AI models, mentioning that they can generate 3 million lines of code overnight, with the quality so high that debugging becomes less of a challenge. The discussion extends to governance, with Salim pointing out that the UAE is already using AI to draft laws, suggesting that countries embracing AI could significantly reduce governmental cost over the next decade. Education is another focal point. The host noted that countries like China and Estonia are integrating AI into school curricula while others lag behind. Salim questions traditional educational structures, asking why schools block AI when it can enhance learning efficiency. On the corporate front, Salim shares an anecdote about a global accounting firm's leadership summit, where few partners understood foundational blockchain concepts like the Byzantine generals problem, highlighting a gap in understanding emerging technologies. The conversation also touches on the transformative potential of AI in advertising and consumer behavior. Peter envisions a future where AI agents facilitate seamless transactions based on casual conversations, potentially disrupting traditional advertising models. Bitcoin's role as a sovereign reserve asset is discussed, with Salim asserting that Treasury secretaries not holding Bitcoin are being financially irresponsible. Peter shares that despite advising CEOs to move reserves into Bitcoin, many remain hesitant. The episode concludes with discussions on quantum teleportation, synthetic data, and advancements in game design, underscoring the urgency and breadth of AI's impact across sectors. That wraps up today's exploration of developments in blockchain, decentralized finance, and AI. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech innovations. Remember, if you would like to support our work, consider donating to Ledger Life. Wallet details and links to all projects mentioned are available in the description below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and informed.